I think issue is first, we should remove these words of architecture and building. We should talk about how do we celebrate life on this planet and make a model. So when you talk about celebration, then you are talking about total sustainability, relationships, potentials, expanding our ideas, expanding our horizons. What mother must be thinking? And I think that plan shows you that micro, macro, all the levels of housing, etc., can be built there. And Roger was upset because I did not reply him. And when I saw the Oro model houses, which he had done in the beginning, you could see that how this person from Paris who comes here, who had a lab practice, gives away everything and does these little things here. And he talks about climate, he talks about fluidity, he talks about visions, and he talks about lightness. And I think those are the things which are pioneering works. Earlier photographs which I had seen, and when I had seen met Piero and others, I had seen those thatched buildings and thatched houses very, very early when the land was absolutely dry, barren land. There was an aspiration, there was a vision, and there was an idealism. And it was not talked about what is the population. We always looked at it as if it's a part of the universe. We are global. We are not local. We are not regional. We are not small people. I think this is where the first difference to me is. And that should be removed. And we should talk about saying, how do we understand what galaxies are? I mean, they are, we don't even know. I don't know at all. But when I imagine and when I think about it, there is a dynamic balance, and that balance generates energies, and those energies help the whole cosmic order of the universe, in which health and hygiene and wisdom, but more than that, the inner sensibilities which Mother is talking about come out. And I think we have to talk about not ourselves as beings, we have to talk about this galaxy will continue, and it will go on and on and on, and it will become a model of life, model of living. What is happening even as architects? We look at architecture as a building. This is not building, it is life. How do you celebrate life? How do you live life? How do you generate life? And how do you enrich life? So, who is connecting? The connection is between the earth and the cosmos. And that's what Galaxy Plan talks about. It talks about, then you talk about microorganisms, you talk about experiments in agriculture, technology, energy, all those things can happen. And those things can happen, and that is what we should talk about. So, first thing is, Galaxy Plan to me is one of the most dynamic plans. And in its details, it has many, many layers, and there is a porosity into that plan. And that porosity talks about multiple scales, and those scales are very important. So when we talk about houses and everything else, we are looking at a building, and then we are looking at the pylon, we are looking at a little road there. Actually, it's not so. When I did Aranya housing, one of the most important thing that I tried to say was, how do you get the commonest person and make him feel happy and a part of a society? And how can they build their own world in their own way and rejoice life? So the first thing to talk about is that how do we really start talking about development plan there? But in that development plan, are we going to really talk about small things connected to little government grants, etc.? Or are we going to say, in Auroville, we are going to set up a vision plan?